The only and major thing is how you can become confident is trying to focus on practice, not perfection. On the very first day you can't be perfect in any task you're doing, right? So you have to focus more on practice, not perfection. I will be doing, suppose, let's say for example, I want to learn English. Let's say for example, I want to learn a new skill, that would be English, spoken English. So what should I do? Should I wait until I learn all the grammatical things or grammars or vocabularies, then after I will trying to speak? Or should I speak from the day one and keep learning on things, keep learning on the grammar, or keep learning the vocabularies? Or this is the second approach would be good, right? So that's exactly, if you are doing something, you have to focus on practice. That definitely builds your confidence enough, because once you are doing something and you achieve a little small goals, your confidence boost. You let's say you give yourself new situations, and you're putting your 100% efforts in that. Once you achieve anything, any success, small success in that, so from the next day you are tracking your progress, that and you're saying that yes, I was dull yesterday, today I have learned new thing, I will implement this thing from tomorrow as well. So I am learning day by day. The process, let's say, or I would say, believe on the process, not try to be perfect. Nobody is perfect, guys. Nobody is perfect. You have to build your confidence by stop hesitation, stopping procrastination, or just stop thinking. Let's if you're sitting in the corner of your room and just thinking about how can I achieve this goal? How make the strategy and try to work behind it. That is the good approach. Instead of sitting in the corner of a room just thinking and procrastinating, yeah, one day I will achieve this one. How will you achieve that? If you're not confident enough, if you're not doing any if you're not putting some, at least some efforts towards that. You have the potential. Everybody has their different capabilities. There are, they have different potentials, they have different capabilities, but the only thing is somebody is using, someone is not using that. So you have to focus on that. You have to be very mindful that yes, if I want to build my confidence, I have to work hard and track my progress daily. I'm tracking my progress daily, focusing on the practice, the process. I'm trying to learn the process. I'm not trying to be perfect. I'm not competition with anyone. Believe me, don't ever, never ever compare you with others, because they might have different capabilities, you might have different capabilities. Nobody is similar. Nobody, nothing is similar. You can't be anyone, or anyone can't be like you. You have the different capabilities, you have the different abilities. God made us same, but with different capabilities, different potentials. Use your own potential, use, grab whatever you think, learn whatever you want to achieve, just work behind that. So once you start achieving small success, your confidence naturally builds. You build your confidence naturally, unknowingly. You will know, even you will don't know that yes, my confidence is, I'm boosting my confidence. But yes, day by day you are learning. If you're learning things, you can able to deliver something to others. That yes, I have achieved these things by applying these, implementing these strategies toward that. I have learned English by implementing these three keys. These are the major keys. But once you are able to achieve something, if you are confident enough, the people, the person sitting in right in front of you, the person is listening to you, definitely then they will buy your words. If I'm not confident, then why should you buy my words? You will think that he is just speaking and just go away. No, I have done something before. I have implemented some strategies to achieve something. So you have to do that. Daily practice makes a man perfect, or makes a person perfect. There is nobody can be perfect. No, there is no perfection. So don't run behind the perfection. Try to focus more on practice daily. Practice builds confidence. Try to do exercises. Be yourself fit, physically fit, mentally fit. For physically, do exercises. For mental peace, do some meditation, yoga, etc., etc., mantra jap, etc. So this is how you build your confidence. Try to put your 100% in any task you're doing. Never mind if you fail. Never mind if you fail in something, or if you not able to achieve it tomorrow, today. Definitely you will achieve tomorrow. But if you're still working for it, how eagerly you want it, that's exactly what matters. So focus on practice, not perfection.